What's up with JENA?
I just give him a little view, but Jenny's just waiting on me, really.
Just waiting on you. You've been lagging.
I've been working and just haven't had really time to mess with it too much.
I know they're like, hey, what's up? You guys still racing?
Yeah. Well, listen, it's not just our fault. We're in a pandemic right now. We've said it a million times, but we can't really do much. Everybody's like watching everything. We go to Mexico and it's a problem. It's everywhere's a problem.
Yeah. It's hard.
We've just been laying low,
but it's looking good.
Yeah,
we did some tallying up. We put some straps on there to make sure the fuel pump.
Yeah, why don't you show them the shift selector from Max Speeding?
Oh, Max Speeding! Let's see. Max Speeding. Max Speeding.
Come on over. It's actually really nice. I'm gonna go around so you can see me.
Yeah, go to the other side. Go to the other side. So what's up, guys? Again, as you go, our OG sponsor, MaxpeedingRods, came out with a new billet shifter that you know, they threw in, and they wanted us to try. If you guys can see,
mounted feels just like the Cabron K. I mean, it really does.
If you guys don't know,
I spent
$1,000.
$850.
Oh, you got the hookup. I hooked you up. You were my customer.
You hooked me up.
I hooked you up.
Normal people paid $1,000. Normal people paid $1,000 for not this one, but an exact replica that I have in the Cabron K, and I loved it so much. It's more of what do you call it? The visual. What is it? Whatever you call it. So anyways,
it's more like
aesthetics.
Yes, aesthetics.
So it's more aesthetic than anything else, but I really I put it in the
this is the old one. This is the factory Type S one. If you guys are wondering,
just horrible.
Just horrible. Look at the comparison.
It is. Listen to this. Ready?
Boom, 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 boom.
Oh,
Mischief fifth.
Good thing we don't use that.
I know, it's on motor, baby.
Use that. But yeah, it's nice.
That's awesome.
You know what I do want to do? I want to see if the reverse works, because for some reason.
What do you? Wait, what?
Yeah. So look, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, reverse.
So it fixed our reverse?
I don't know.
Holy smoke!
I don't know.
Well, you couldn't even do it with this one.
I couldn't get in.
You couldn't even do it with this one.
Could not get in.
So you're telling me MaxpeedingRods fixed the reverse?
It feels like it does. I haven't tested it because my computer's in the Cabron K due to the Mexico trip we might be having soon.
Yeah, Mexico race.
Yeah. So if we do that, then it's going to be a little bit. But if we don't do that, I'll put it back in here, try it out. And see what's up.
Also, one of the benefits of this is that when you're riding this, you see how long this thing is?
Yeah, so I don't punch my
you don't punch
anymore.
So
no matter what gear.
This is adjustable, actually.
Yeah.
So this is cool. You can adjust
height
it.
Here,
Allen
height
wrench.
here.
Yeah.
Height here, distance here. Distance here.
Oh, there's all the adjustability.
Oh, it's so much, man. You got 3 stages here for length on throw.
Yeah.
Then you have 2 stages on the shift on side to side.
Oh, okay.
So you can tighten it up, loosen it up right here.
That's awesome.
And then, of course, height on the full shaft.
Oh, on the full shaft.
And then you have height on just the shifter shaft itself. So it's really nice, dude.
You know, remember it was
and I did this.
Did it work?
Man, what you...
Oh, if you guys are wondering.
What?
If you guys don't know, ooh, we're gonna, guys. You know, if you guys don't know what this is, ooh,
yeah.
Ooh.
Know what I'm saying? It's really easy, dude.
Yeah, it is.
It's not as hard as they make it look like in YouTube. I watched a YouTube video on this shit, and I was like, man, I'm not messing my shit up.
Okay, so you guys don't know, if you guys don't know what this is, we need this to stage for racing, but this is like quote unquote a drift button.
Yeah. So what it does is it's a free, right? So if you don't pull out on the button, it'll let you just like let go and it'll drop. Now the moment you pull it up, it works like normal.
Ooh.
Right? So all you do, for those of you who are scared to replace this little $3 part, what was this part, like 10 bucks?
Yeah, something like that,
right?
10, 15 bucks.
So I was scared. I didn't want to mess up my stick, even though the car is completely cut in. Right. He scared me. You scared me.
I'm just saying.
You're like, don't do it. You're gonna destroy it. So it's not really that hard. You get a pair of pliers. You grab the tip of this little guy, which is the old button, and you literally counterclockwise it out, and it'll just keep going. Don't be scared. It's gonna make some cracking noises because it breaks this little edge off on the bottom. You just keep going until it comes all the way out because it is threaded.
Yeah.
Okay. So once that comes out, there's a little spring which probably
Flew out
when I took this out. But either way, you pull the little spring out with this. You screw in the new one. Look, I'll show you actually, because this is just screwed in. All you do is screw it in.
Bro, that thing is awesome.
Bro, it's so sick, dude. It's so easy. It's such an easy...
Doesn't it, right? You want one for yours, right?
Yeah, this was for mine, but I didn't do it because I was scared.
Now I gotta order more, right?
Look, once you get this little guy out, you can see this little...
Right.
Screwed right in there. So literally, it's threaded already. You don't have to thread it. You put it back in there, and you just thread it in there, baby. You know what I'm saying? It's nice. Dude. It really is nice.
Dude, I need to get some. Put them in the
shop.
Put it at the shop or you know,
on eBay.
And yeah, dude. Seriously, put it in the website. If you guys want some of that, what do you think? That's cool. You don't need to have what's the other one? The hydraulic.
Brake.
I mean, yeah, you know, staging brakes.
Dude, look, I get one 560 foots in my carbon with a regular e-brake, so don't get me wrong. I mean, yeah.
The problem is that sometimes you forget to hit the button or you don't hit it.
It sucks because if it stays right here, you're still holding brakes back.
Yeah.
And you know, sometimes you're in the race and you're just like, oh, and then you leave it right there.
Yeah.
That's a problem. And then you don't notice until you're at the top of the track and you're like, oh shit.
Yeah, but show us how it's done. Show us how it's done.
You want me to launch it?
Yeah, just make believe. Okay. You know what I mean?
All right.
You're like, and you gotta make the sounds. And you go, bah, 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 bah.
You want me to make the sounds?
I want you to make the sounds like this car is on. So it's okay. You're gonna. Okay.
I got my wrap glove.
You got the wrap glove on. You put it in gear. You're like,
first
all right.
things first, right? We put it in gear. I would press.
How you launch?
But my
Okay.
leg is gonna break.
I know. Okay. Just
so
kidding.
I'm gonna put it in first.
Okay.
And then make sure this thing is all the way in.
Right.
I'm gonna hold it up, right?
Make the sound, bro.
Right?
Yeah. Bam. 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 But anyway.
But it's nice. But it's nice. It's nice to be able to have that option.
You know what I'm saying? So we got.
It's really nice. It's really nice. I like it. I like this add-on. This I definitely.
We're doing a video here, guys.
Yeah,
We're doing a video. Can you keep
it down, please?
Can you keep it down? I'm just
I have my seatbelt on during the launch. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
But it's bro.
But it's nice, dude. I love it. This is sick. It's a sick, cheap, little cheater way of getting a staging brake.
Instead of literally doing the whole
and
shebang.
then some people say, oh, but you can't position this thing where you want. That's another big thing, is that a lot of people like staging it up here because when you get a racing seat, it's kind of hard.
Yeah.
But the thing is that these move, man. They're on two 10 mil bolts.
Yeah.
So take the two 10 mil bolts, drill it up a little further.
Or something,
put
whatever.
The screws in. No, you can't.
But
These are loose, dude. It doesn't. You
I mean,
it's
it's
right here.
People
Right?
do that all the time. People put it on the. You know what I mean?
There's nothing wrong with this, dude. It works great.
It works great.
I'm gonna
well, we're gonna rock the crap out of it,
Right,
bro. I want this thing to be cheap, simple, and hit tens. That's it.
100%.
You know what I mean? So we're gonna get this thing, dude. Shout out, MaxpeedingRods, for a beautiful shifter. Go ahead, guys. We're gonna have links down below for MaxpeedingRods.
My man,
Fitzy.
my man.
Fitz, you gotta say what's up, man. Fitz,
What's up, everybody?
what's
How's
up?
it going?
Show me
What's
your
up?
mullet.
So
Look at that thing. That's perfection.
you guys been commenting. We need you guys been commenting. We need more white guys.
We need more white guys.
We need more white guys at the shop. You thought we were like, this is just Asian and Hispanic. So I was like, nah, we got it. He plays hockey. He's
here.
hella white.
Right.
He's he plays hockey. He's got the party in the back.
I'm ready.
He's ready to go. But he's a new hire at the shop.
You know, new to you.
New to
he's been
this.
He's
This
been
one.
around for a long time, so he's good at what he does.
You've seen Fitz in the back. You've seen some
he's
videos.
He's been in videos.
I've been around.
He's been in videos.
He's just, but we getting a lot of work in the shop. You know, we needed to
come check
hire.
us out.
Come check us out and stuff. But you know, that's what we need to look at Peasy's whip in a little bit. But we give a shout out. Hold on. We got to give a shout out to his new sponsor.
PLM.
PLM.
Let's do that real quick. Let's check them out.
All right, this
I can't
is
help
different.
but laugh on this one though.
What happened?
And the people who know just know why
They just-
I'm laughing, but I'm gonna laugh through this whole shot out through PLM. Nothing against PLM, but everybody knows what's up. So this here is the new, fresh off the shelf PLM engine stand.
Dude, this is sick, dude. It feels good.
Nothing like ours.
Dude, that
Right?
thing.
Or like what we copied,
You know
right?
what I mean? No, bro, you can't even move it. Like ours, like it's hard. Like you know what I mean, though, right?
Oh, it's not this.
This thing is.
Yeah, it's smooth. They did a good job.
They did it. Look at that
They
thing.
did a good job. It's centered out right. I mean, we just guessed and welded on this, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I think so. Boom. Put it.
But
in.
it kind of it worked out for what it was.
It did. But remember, this is the reason why this rolls so easy is because this is just a bare block.
True.
This is a full engine, crank, rods, pistons, head, the works.
It's true.
So
That
it's
is
a lot
true.
heavier. But
it is
still, this is made better. It's coated. It's, you know.
I know.
mean,
Look at this thing.
It wasn't thrown
Look at
together in a garage. That's for
I know.
sure.
This thing
the
is
sleeves
super
are
nice.
in there, welded at the right
Yeah, dude,
angle.
it's-
The engine's
you guys
sitting
are-
at the right angle. I mean, it's.
I don't know if you guys want some. We can get some out into our store.
Yeah.
You know, our website. I don't know if the demand is something that we should stock or something, but
if you put, let me correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure you can put engine, tranny together, mount it on here, and throw it in your car, right? Because
Absolutely.
the mounts are accessible all the way around.
yeah,
right?
dude.
So I mean, it works. It's cool because most of us we cherry pick our engines, or
Right.
If not, we have a lift that we can bring down and bring up off the car, and it's kind of awkward to get this angle on
Yeah.
our engines to put them in the car, and they have to sit at this angle. There's a reason why they did this. It's not just, oh, why is it crooked? No, it's,
Right,
it's
right.
because this is exactly how it sits in the car. So it's nice because you assemble your full engine, your head, everything. You put it on the roller, and you can kind of center it up in your engine bay. Put your mounts on. You're good to go. You move the car up and down. It's not really close. If you want to show the clearance from the floor.
Well, yeah, we don't have oil
It has
pan.
a lot of room, so that way, you don't have to bring your car all the way down to where you got to take the wheels off. It actually has the height to where it'll sit in your car at a normal level. It's nice, dude. I really like
So
it.
they have this is K-series block. If you guys don't know, this is top secret project.
No,
you
no,
see
no,
these
don't talk
sleeves?
about this right now.
Just letting you know. Just letting you know how big this is. I don't know if you know what this is, but we're gonna have something special for y'all.
Yeah, they ain't ready for this one.
You know what I mean? It's
They're
sleeved.
gonna think that's a monster, right?
You know.
They're gonna think that's a monster. But you know
Yeah,
what?
no.
We're gonna leave that alone. But the stand's great.
Stand's
right?
great.
BLM.
We got B series, K series, and
K-series.
H
Oh,
series.
they do H too now.
H series, yeah.
Who are they chasing?
I know. You know what I mean? But anyway, yeah. The shout out to a new sponsor.
Yeah.
This is really good.
Yeah.
Blue.
So this one will be wrapped by like Monday. So,
Monday, you got the time
I don't know.
time
But I'm just
constraints.
throwing it out there and making it.
Speaking to
reality.
existence,
right,
bro.
Right.
Dude, it does. So this is what it's kind of gonna look like at the end of the day, which is with carbon.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, no. Gloss black.
Okay, gloss
It's gonna
black.
be all gloss black, and then it's gonna have like a carbon stripe down here. It's like this area right here is gonna be
Rally
carbon.
fighter,
So it's just,
rally fighter.
Yeah, right.
This is badass. I mean, dude, would it be?
Cool.
I want to see this jump over a
Jump some
raptor.
See if we can get some videos of it.
Right?